trails. I say these trails. And doing a little hiking out.
Good boy.
Watch out!
My God.
Whoa! Whoa, bro, you scared the shit out of me.
You know, this would be a nice little tree house. You could build some wood around the sides.
We should do that. Stay out here overnight one night.
Put some flooring in here.
Do a 24-hour challenge. Stay out here overnight one night. 12-hour challenge. Look at this lake.
Yep. You might have to live out here in the wild.
Yeah. Well, we might have to do this, bro. This shit's... Oh shit, it's a little muddy right here.
Oh yeah.
Hey, let's go. Let's see. Let's go the other way. Shit, it's like quicksand, boys. So it's like... God damn.
I'm dead, bro. I'm always gonna fall in these rocks.
Alright, let's go this way. Yo! Let's go up here. Let's go. Let's dry up here.
Oh, yes, look at this. Wait, do trains still come here?
No, I don't think at this spot, no.
Yeah, trains still come
I think we might be good, boys.
Oh man,
here.
these are the rocks I was looking for.
What type of rocks are he looking for? Oh, boys. This is nice, yeah. Now you can find quartz. There's quartz crystals up here. It's pretty nice. Yeah, look at this. Let's go. We're gonna go up here though.
I found something.
Which is fine.
Oh,
Let's see.
there's a rock.
This rock.
Oh, Malik, I would tie my shoes if I were you.
Exactly.
You know, the candy man gonna come out here.
Tie those, man.
Gonna come out here with his hook and gonna hook your shoelace.
Yeah. That's when you mute it.
Because we got kids all the time.
Oh, go,
We
go!
like this. We watch everybody's kids, so it's quiet, it's nice.
It's good to have peace. This peace is very true.
Said the birds was talking. I was waiting for them to finish talking.
Birds. Birds and the bees. As much as you can. Let's record some cool stuff, man.
Birds don't even migrate.
I know. This is what you're talking about. Aren't they supposed to be gone?
That day it was
shit.
like -40 outside. I saw a bunch of birds outside. They were just sitting on the roof like...
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh!
How many seconds do you think I can do it?
Who wanna go ice skating?
Oh shit. That's nice. See if it's hard. Can we break the ice? Oh yeah. That broke through. Oh. Dang, one of them didn't break. Josh's didn't break. That's funny.
Maybe y'all just too weak.
Hey. Dang. Nope.
Oh, you probably need to pick up a bigger one.
Where's the camera at, Malik? My phone. Oh, he's recording. Oh, he recorded? Nice. Make sure that's recording. Record that, baby. That's our B-roll, B footage. Nice. Look, if your hand's cold.
Oh, you look like a photographer in the making.
Rusty.
Hey, Malik. Hey, Malik, what's that, bro?
It's a rinse back
Malik, what's
down.
that, bro? Like, slow down, bud. Whoa, bud, slow down.
I don't know.
What is he doing?
Hi guys, I'm the world's ugliest dancer. If you like ugly dances, I'm your guy.
I'm your guy.
Wig likes ugly dances.
Do it again, do it again.
What is that?
Do it again.
It's like a fossil.
It's a turd.
Oh, it's a
Do it
turd.
again, do it again,
It's
do
a
it again.
turd. No, you
Right up turd.
get out of here.
Ready? Let's go.
Ready, set, go. Like, slow down, bud. Whoa, bud, slow down.
Ready, one, sometimes.
We're going to be up there, guys. We're going up there, guys. Get it. Get it. I'm like trying to cop here. Oh, you guys, oh, we can cross that? Oh, that's icy. Like, we're going to slide all the way down that hill. Yeah, we might not make that bridge. That bridge. We got over this fucking...
We're going to somersault.
I don't think we'll make that bridge.
I got somersault.
Somersault all the way down that hill.
Alright. Yeah, you believe? There's some fucking creeps up there. There's some fucking creeps up there.
Oh, look, the humanoid people.
There's humanoids. Guys, there's humanoids up there.
There's humanoid.
Alright, we come in peace. We come in peace.
Say no.
Like,
Do not interact with the humans.
alright, we don't interact with human beings. We're gonna go this way. I heard like he used to skip class and like smoke joints like up there with his friends, you know? They can do stuff like that, so, but don't do it though, you know? It's not good.
Wait, isn't Abraham Lincoln a president?
Yeah.
It's just like curling.
What is it?
It's like going the same way, but you just kind of turn your eyes.
Ice trail? Oh, it's a wild Mickey. A wild Mickey Mouse? Yeah.
He's a wild guy. He
This is
lives
a bike track.
right here.
So it's not from there, going
we are
around,
standing.
going a circle, and then going back.
3 years ago.
Those kids in these freebie books.
Fruit Vehicles?
This is where it
Mickey's around here. Where you at, Mickey? Where you at? We're almost there. We're almost there. We're getting warmer. Warmer and warmer, boys. Look at this lake. Ew. Jesus Christ, don't fall down there. You think we can jump? We can make the jump, I think.
If you go right there now.
Bro, we can cap that for sure. Bro.
Nothing. I jumped 14 feet.
That was a high school track. Blake, no, get up. Oh, dang. Let me see eyeballs.
It looked like hair from
It looks like a fucking tree man. What's that tree Pokemon?
Who's that Pokemon?
Yeah, Trico is like, yeah. Here, go away, boy. Go away, man. Just, bro, that would be a nice Christmas tree right there. That would be a nice Christmas tree. If they're midgets, wow, Malik. They're little people, Malik. No, the correct term is little people. Little people, Malik. Yeah, little people. You can't call them midgets. It's like calling a black person an N-word. So you gotta call them little people. Oh, dang, it is a beehive. That's an old beehive.
Don't do it. No.
Come on, boy. It's cold. All the bees are dead. They're dead. Oh, shit. Yeah, there's deers here. Yeah, there's like there's. No, we don't have. I wish. I'd ride one of those whales. Majestically. They're majestic whales. They're very majestic creatures. Like, I would definitely ride one of those whales. Look at that, Aaron.
Poison berries?
No, I'm talking the bridge.
Oh.
These are poison berries. We can get up there. We're supposed to go up there, but we went the long way around, so we're going to have to walk.
Oh, we can get up there.
You know who's a berry expert?
We gotta use these kids with their young bones.
Yeah.
Throw Malik up there.
Yeah, Malik, get up there for us.
Tell us if the coast is clear.
Alright.
Graffiti.
Oh yeah, there's another spot where there's so much graffiti.
Oh, the train doesn't follow us.
Alright.
I said, oh my God.
We can get up there from here.
You see old piece?
Oh yeah, there's a lot of cool graffiti up there. We should check.
We're in the summertime. This place is like covered in mud.
Not all the time.
Well, yeah, sometimes.
Only when it rains.
Covered in mud.
Oh, that's icy, boys.
Turn around, guys.
That's icy, boys.
Just seen a Sasquatch.
A Sasquatch footprint.
But it's here.
Which way?
He is in Wisconsin.
This way?
Yeah.
It's so
Don't go up
icy.
there.
Where
Bigfoot
you
is
go?
up there.
Where you go first?
Bigfoot is up there.
We're going out there. Oh shoot! Oh crap! Oh crap! I might drop my phone. Oh, I'm in my. Come on, boys! You said Dickfoot or Bigfoot? I don't know what you said. You're up. He's bad. You just gotta walk the sides, boys.
We're gonna meet you guys around.
Boys, no, boys. What if you get attacked by wolves? You guys can make it. Just grab the trees, boys. Malik's 7. Wait, how old are you, Malik? He's 8.
Honey, go get it. Yeah.
You came here to live. That's what you came here to do. He didn't come here not to live either. Just dropped us off. Malik, you good? Slow down for a deer attacks you or something. We gotta keep eyes on each other. Where's that knife at? Where should you keep that? That's Tyrannosaurus Rex bone. T-Rex bone, you know? You ever had T-Rex? You seen T-Rex bones? Okay, well. Hey, you're holding one. It's T-Rex bone.
Right here?
Yeah. Yeah. Dang it. My shoe's not tied. I got
Today, I was talking about Malik.
I know.
There's rabbits and deers here.
There's rabbits and deers here? Look at that. Alright.
We got 2 ways. Rocket way, we use that.
What?
That means we can go deeper.
deer
So let's
poop.
go this way.
No, but let's go this way quick. We're gonna go up that way next, huh? Well, we're gonna go up there. We're gonna take a break. Wait, should we go that way?
What?
What is up that way? Is that another mountain, right?
That's a track.
Let's go up here quick.
Guys.
Let's go up here quick. They're scared. They're scared to go on the adventure side. Very beast. Don't let it fall.
So this is day one of the 700-hour challenge.
We're out here.
Living out here.
We're gonna be out here for 762 hours exact. We don't have any shelter, food, or water, but
We do got a knife.
yeah.
And start a fire.
Now I'm trying to sharpen.
We're gonna make it do, you know. We're gonna do what we can do.
We're gonna get one of these rocks. We're gonna eat one of these seagulls.
Get him.
And
I can kill.
Or.
we're gonna make it happen, fellas. See, so we already got shelter, you know, underneath the bridge.
That's all the shelter we need.
You know, we got a lake right there. Get some sand, make a little funnel.
And these train tracks never have trains on them. There's a lake over there.
Bird eggs.
Right over there.
Out here 600 days and I want to go home. I miss my mom. And I told everybody we get chased by the Sasquatch and now he know where we live and he took our food yesterday. It's
Day 600. Day 600. I don't know what day it is, but it's an Aaron tripping. He's been eating all the berries, all the fruit we've been foraging. Long story short, Aaron's the reason why we might die. So that's all I'm gonna say. Cut the camera.
I banged your mom.
If we don't get out here in those way, maybe I'm gonna come out.
We're out, boys. Let's go. Everybody got everything. Everybody hydrated. You guys got chips to eat. I mean berries. Oh wait.
guys, look at that wild beast up there. It's a wild beast up there.
Where?
Right there. It's a wild beast.
Fuck is he looking at?
And I am not tripping.
Please.
That is a beast. I am not tripping.
You know the chips, fatty. Say what the fuck? The Sasquatch. The fucking Sasquatch. Whoa! What the hell? Hey, the Sasquatch. Where's the Sasquatch at?
We got Coach Fisher out here.
Coach Fish. I'm going to show you guys how to drink properly. If this is your French drink, you want a waterfall. Put it out, stand your wrist, cock the wrist.
Gucci flip flops.
That's how you do it. Oh.
See this?
Yeah.
Sit.
Alright, boys.
Said now nobody's gonna
That's gross, actually. I don't like that kind. Pretty gross.
What does it taste like? Menthol cigarettes?
Yeah. Dang, what tore through here? The giant? What the hell?
It's a giant in the lake.
I'm looking good.
Whole chicken and stuff.
Oh, nice. Just at the tree. Okay, okay. Curry. Oh.
Graffiti.
Isn't that great?
It says free.
It's a cat. It's a cat. Huh? Rip Acme.
Yeah.
I mean,
Blake, don't get close. You're gonna fall down, Blake.
It's a pimple.
Blake,
face.
you're just Blake. Don't get close. This is a 100-foot drop. You'll die.
Drew Squidward's upside down nose.
Squidward upside down. Blake, there's a couple more Squidward noses here too. Don't have to tell anyone else.
The human race has made their mark.
Oh wow. The third eye creature.
Yup, I'm not even gonna lie, that's kind of scary.
What's kind of scary?
This is Slum America. What's my place?
Slum America.
Yeah, it's
Slut America. Sluts America. And it was at that moment where we knew that our
I'm
fate
happy you
was not in
exist.
our hands.
Well, what is that?
I'm happy you exist.
Alright. Oh, I love you guys. Thank you. Love you. Love you too. Oh, no. We don't love like this way.
Let's go.
Cause there's more graffiti down there, but we gotta go see that view over there quick. Look at that. We gotta go see that view. And on the way back, we can see the graffiti wall.
Yeah. And we gotta visit the.
Someone wrote humanity is effed up.
Stupid little brother. My stupid little brother.
Look at all the white stuff.
You know that is kind of strange though.
Yeah, we gotta do the sides because it's a little muddy if you don't go on the sides. Oh!
My foot is wet now. That's just great.
You stepped in the water? How'd you go in the water?
I got it.
Come on, boys. Who's
Time.
mountain? Time to get funky, boys.
How is this like a perfect bridge like this? I swear Indian.
Somebody placed this. Huh?
You can go down there.
No, Malik, we're not. But.
What are you doing? And good does not here.
Well, I'm gonna make this in a video, and I'm gonna upload this video. So, what do you want to say to your mom right now?
Hey, Ma.
Yep, you made him wear those.
Yup.
Oh my God,
Yeah.
bro! Jesus Christ!
Let's go down here.
Yeah, bad. No.
Whoa, Malik.
We're
Malik,
going
you
on
fall.
this.
What?
We're coming around, boys.
Jeez, I'm going through there.
Yeah, you can go too. Yeah, you can meet us around,
Where
boys.
the group separates.
We'll see you guys in 7 years.
You said we'll meet again. We'll meet again
At this very
at
spot?
dawn, at this very location.
Okay, at dawn.
In 3 years' time.
3 years time.
Right here.
Oh my God, this view is so good.
Alright, it's beautiful. Malik said, oh my God, this view is so good. Hold on, let me see. Oh my God, it's beautiful.
Oh my God.
Majestic. Talk about majestic.
Oh my God.
In a second. Whoa, look at that tree. Savage. Whoa. Like, be careful, man.
This is
Whoa, Josh. You flooding water?
Oh my God. Well, my shoes are clean now.
He just stepped in the fat puddle.
I saw you.
Fat ass puddle of water. Yeah, your whole foot was like submerged.
It was like,
I was like, damn.
how deep is it?
No, why would you step in
That's
again?
deep, boys. It doesn't. Josh, why'd you jump over that?
You know what's crazy? Is that if I was walking first, I would have stepped in. It is like, that's crazy. But now, nature gave you a do-over.
Stick is pulling out. Dang.
Oh, you can ready for a super concert?
Josh hit the
All
stupid
because
guy.
of your no good, dirty, rotten,
Right.
great-grandfather.
Right, yeah, exactly. It is. We can go all the way around there.
What
So
is that? What it's like for animals who be.
well, they say that like that used to be a house right down there, and George Washington was born in it. butt. That's what they say.
Yeah. So, rumor has it.
Rumor has it.
Rumor has it he took dumps every day in that location.
Yeah, every day.
There's a big mud pile right here, so slip in my entire
I was
foot.
like,
I'm glad they're tinfoil
yeah.
right here.
Oh, look, they see me. They see me looking at them. They looked like right at my camera.
I'm so happy there's tinfoil.
I had to zoom in all the way. Like I said, I'm so glad there's tinfoil here. There's foil. You're not gonna fall down.
wait,
If
wait.
anything, you roll. You will slide.
Look at all this tinfoil.
There's an alien here. Alien ship crashed. Must have. He said, boys, we just witnessed an alien ship crash. Or was it our ship? No.
It's sick if I want to.
we're gonna go through the puddle.
Aaron, there's a pathway through here.
These guys are fucking scared. Trying to rock him. He said, this looks so suspect. Aaron, he's just said, how much mud.
I wonder, like, how a deer would approach this.
For what your great-great-granddaddy, Pappy did.
Whoa, Malik. Whoa, Malik.
I'm not doing that.
Whoa, Malik. Get up, Malik.
Josh, come on,
I'm
Josh.
not gonna do that. If I freaking fall.
You will just roll
Until his death.
Josh said he don't want
until his death. You will just roll until your death, he
Until I
said.
come down there.
You guys are crazy.
That's a tough one, Josh, even for me.
Alright. There's a fire pit. Oh, shit. Oh, this fell. You guys.
I seen the video of the dude that he just.
You actually have a lighter on you? What the heck?
There's my little 7-year-old. Oh, he's 8, right?
Yeah.
Alright, you're good then.
He's like, yeah, I'm 8 now.
Yeah, he's good. As long as he's 8, we condone. This is how you make a fire. We gotta do it like this way. Come on, bro.
Oh, yeah. That's what dude did on the video.
I do her. It's called tension. You know, you got tension. What is that right word?
Friction.
Friction. Yeah. Tension's up. Shit's getting pulled. Cut that out. Oh, man, I can't start it. I quit. I'm no Bear Grylls.
Say, come on.
And this is what you
Don't
do when
give
you're
up
mad.
now.
Ah!
So we're gonna die out here.
I know. We're dead. We're screwed.
That's what you do when you're mad.
I said, now we're stuck out here. No food,
No water.
and nobody knows how to start a fire.
I do.
You do?
Now we're all gonna die.
If I just find like a dry stick.
Well, we gotta get out of here. We're lost, boys.
As long as we know that train track is.
No, we don't get lost. It's at least a circle. It's a big circle. I'm joking.
Besides, I got a GPS.
Yeah, we'll never get lost. 21st century, boys. Maybe if we were a bunch of cavemen and pioneer, we'd get lost, but we're fucking millennials, boys. I mean, we're not getting lost out here. Oh, the sunset. We're gonna have to.
Kill stuff.
We'll have to head. Good. Sure, that's a beautiful sunset view right there, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
That's beautiful.
He said rain or snow.
700 hours, so we gotta stay out here for 700
He
hours.
said we're gonna be out here, rain or snow, sunshine or rain.
Right.
Whoever wins, he has to give us $100.
Yeah, we'll do it.
No, free V-Bucks.
No, okay, how about this? Okay, how about this? One of these weeks we're gonna do it. I'm actually wanting to do a challenge, but I don't know who I want to do it, so I want to do like an overnight challenge though, like outside. Oh shit!
Oh.
Fuck!
Whoa.
God damn!
Whoa.
I almost just died.
So,
All right.
challenge?
Yeah, but the challenge is gonna be like an overnight shit, like in a tent or something, during like a rainstorm, and like the longest person
Oh, shit.
person stays the longest one. It's like $100, $200, you know. And it's like gonna be like in a tent, and we're gonna buy like the mini tents, like the little kid tents. It's gonna be like that. The longest person stay out there, longest gets like $200. It's gonna be like nobody move in the tent. Whoa, boys, the Sasquatch? Was that the Sasquatch? You guys saw that Sasquatch?
Little did you know that the Sasquatch is
Look
living
at-
among you
Look at,
all this time.
Who's that? Who is it, Malik? Is this baby Sasquatch?
look at.
What is it, Malik? Is it
Is that an egg? Is that Sasquatch egg?
There's a little bit of quartz in it. I see, maybe. Yeah, that's a little bit, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I think we found the lair.
This is why we came up. This is the way we...
Yeah.
I know the way. You guys...
This narrow path up here.
Yes. You listen to a little kid or... Oh! Oh, shit! God damn it. There's thorns on that bush. I grabbed them. I had to let go. Oh! Oh, shit. Come on!
Stop.
Oh, chill out.
Oh, look at my shoe.
Let me see. Oh. Look, slow down. Come on, Josh, you got it. You got her, Josh. Look, wait. Branch just went up my fucking nose. Come on, boys, let's take this picture. Let's look at this wall, this graffiti wall quick.
Smoking on pack, you smoking on gas, you smoking on pack, you packing the pack, you smoking on pack, you put it in the pack, you smoking in the pack, you put it in the pack, now you're in the trap, you passing the back, they remember those days in the trap, you smoking on gas, you passing the pack, you passing the pack, you smoking on pack, hey, I remember all those days, you smoking on gas, hey, I remember all those days that I was in a drought, you smoking on gas, you passing the pack, you in your trap, you hanging with the gang, you hanging with the pack, you hanging with the slang, you hanging with the gang, I remember those days I was in the trap, and I was running back, and I was hanging with the gang, I was smoking on pack. Smoking on pack, I was new to the crew, but I was real good through. Smoking on gas, you smoking on pack, you smoking on pack, you begging all last, you make it all last, you make it all last, you bring it all back, you bring it to the gang, you bring it to the crew who raised you, the crew who gave you anything. Work on